Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Bo in Texas on its Anytone at-6666. Bo, we got you ready to go, bud. Tune alignment. We went ahead and pulled the 520s out and put all ERF 2030 pluses in for you for durability reasons only. The amplifier you explained to me that you were going to run, we talked about it, and I said 40 to 50 watts PEP max swing, so we've set this radio up accordingly. Normally these will do over 100 watts with those mods, but we've got this thing where it'll work out great for your amplifier that you got. We're going to start with the RF power all the way down. 25 watt slug, turns down to about 1 watt, turns up to 8. Show you average power swing. Hello, 20 bird average. So we're gonna roll the carrier all the way back down at 1 watt, 50 watt slug and PEP. Hello, 1, 2, 3. Hello, audio. It's about 43 watts. And we're gonna go over here to sideband. 50 watts. Hello. Now let's turn this power up. Hello. It's about 40 watts. But let me show you on the average here. Hello. See, on sideband, your average power is almost as much as your peak. So you can turn this down some if you want to, however you want to run it, okay? All right, Bo, I'm going to get this down there to you, man. I really appreciate it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bum.